Hi everyone, welcome back. I've got another video for you, this time showing division. You are probably looking at this thinking that it looks very similar to what we did with multiplication, and you're exactly right, because this is the same method that we used with multiplication, except now we're going to do it with a division problem. So this is called place value sections method. You're going to start with an area model similar to what we did with multiplication. Only this time, since it's division, you're not going to write anything on top of the boxes until we start dividing. What you're going to do is write your divisor, the smaller number in the problem. Your divisor goes on the outside, and then the dividend is what's being divided. That goes at the top of the first section on the inside of the box. So we're going to do 1,950 divided by 6. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to just pay attention to the first couple digits of this number. So let's just pay attention to the 19. Now we are asking ourselves how many hundreds fit. So our answer is going to have hundreds, but we're only going to pay attention to the 19 part of 1,950. So how many sixes fit into 19? Well, 3 of them do. And since we're talking about 100, we're going to write the zeros after to make that 300. And now we'll go ahead and multiply. How many is 300 sixes? 300 sixes is 1,800. And then we're going to see what we have left to divide. So we'll subtract. So that's 150 left to still divide up. So now we're going to move to the tens section and move this 150 up to the next section of the box. And now we're asking ourselves how many tens can fit. So we'll put 1 0 after to hold that and put our answer in the tens place. So how many sixes fit into the first couple digits of this number, which is 15? How many sixes fit into 15? Well, 2 of them do, 2 groups of 6. And since we're talking about the tens place, we'll make this 20 on top. And now the next step is to see how much is 20 sixes. And 20 sixes is 120. And what do I have left to divide? So I'll subtract to find that out. And I end up with 30 left to divide. All right, so 30 left to divide. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that 30 and divide it again and move it over to the last section, which is the ones section. So I don't need to put any zeros up here. I'm just going to write my answer in the ones place as a 1-digit number. And now we're asking how many sixes can fit into 30, which is 5. And how much is 5 sixes? And that would be 30. And what do we have left to divide? We have nothing left. So that means we're done and there's no remainder. And our answer is actually on top of the box now, written in expanded form. So 300 plus 20 plus 5 is 325, which is the answer to our division problem, which is the quotient. So our quotient is 325. So that's the place value sections method. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to